This is your first official glimpse at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Yes, it's finally happening. Samsung's future of foldables has been unveiled in spectacular fashion. Thanks to the ever-reliable Evan Blass, we now have high-quality official renders of both devices, and they look absolutely stunning. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks more streamlined and sophisticated than ever. Its slim silver frame and vertically aligned triple camera system exude elegance and a flagship feel. The Z Flip 7, on the other hand, stuns with its minimalist black cover screen and polished design. Simple, bold, and stylish. But that's just the beginning. The leaks also confirm a surprising new addition, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. It features a clean matte blue finish, flat edges, and a dual camera system, clearly designed to bring foldables into more hands by making them more accessible. This isn't just a design update, it's a daring step forward in Samsung's foldable evolution. All of the new foldables will be powered by Samsung's Galaxy AI, promising smarter performance, more intuitive features, and futuristic experiences that transcend hardware. With the official Unpacked launch confirmed for early July 2025 and pre-reservations already open, the excitement is building fast. After some uncertainty triggered by early pricing leaks from European retailers, a more optimistic picture is now emerging. According to a trusted report from WinFuture, Samsung is planning to launch multiple next-gen mobile devices at its July event, including the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will reportedly start at €1,999 and could reach up to €2,530 depending on the storage variant, which ranges from 256GB to a full 1TB model. The Z Flip 7, meanwhile, is expected to cost between €1,099 and €1,300, depending on configuration. Pricing for the Flip 7 Fan Edition hasn't been confirmed yet, but it's clearly positioned as the budget-friendly option in the series. As for the watches, the Galaxy Watch 8 will start at around €359 for the 40mm version and up to €430 for the 44mm model. The Watch 8 Classic may begin at €469 and could reach up to €509. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is expected to debut at around $699, or roughly $750. Returning to the Fold 7, Evan Blass has shared renders in 3 striking color options: jet black, blue shadow, and a new silver shadow variant. A staging site also hints at a 4th color, green mint, which could be an online exclusive, although it hasn't appeared in any renders yet. The visuals show the Fold 7 from every angle, including its cover display, back panel, and hinge. They also suggest a sleeker profile than before and confirm the removal of the under-display camera from the main screen, a move fans are likely to appreciate. Colorways? Fresh. Flip 7 is coming in black, blue, and a bold coral red. Fold 7? Black, silver, and a cool blue shadow finish that just sounds premium. And the rumored Flip Fan Edition? Clean black and white with more affordable storage tiers at 128 and 256 gigs. Samsung might even bring back bespoke customization and online-only exclusive colors, but that's still under wraps. Either way, personal style is about to meet powerful tech. On the software side, leaks suggest that both the Fold 7 and Flip 7 could launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16, skipping over the current One UI 7 entirely for a major leap in user experience right out of the box. Panda Flash Pro reports that mass production has already begun, aligning with a July release window. Renders show an ultra-thin design and improved dust resistance, while excitement builds around other possible releases at the upcoming Unpacked event, including a new trifold foldable. Trusted leakers suggest the Galaxy G Fold will debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in July. Leaks confirm Samsung's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip. Yep, the top-tier SM8750, turning the Fold 7 into a pocket powerhouse ready for next-gen AI, console-grade gaming, and multitasking so smooth you might just forget what lag feels like. It's been certified. It's official. The Fold 7 isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But it doesn't stop there. A brand new AI-driven multi-mobile search is built into the camera app. This isn't just taking pictures. This is your foldable understanding your world, reacting to it. Point it at something, and it knows. It gets it. It responds. Like the phone has instincts. Think about that. A foldable with a brain. And visually, the Fold 7 is about to ruin every other screen for you. The leaked display specs? 8.2-inch foldable AMOLED 120Hz and an outer cover screen that's 6.5 inches of FHD plus fluidity. Both panels? Sharp, bright, silky smooth. wrapped in a chassis so thin, so lightweight, it almost looks like a regular slab when folded. And yes, S Pen is sticking around, so whether you're sketching, signing, or swiping, it's ready. Now here's where Samsung really flexes. One UI 8 is debuting with this beast, and it's built on Android 16. Early testers are already raving about the new lock-to-home glow transition. You unlock your phone, and the wallpaper glides like a pulse. Fluid, elegant. It's not just a UI, it's a vibe. These new 7-style wallpapers, they glow, they breathe, they move with you. Every swipe feels intentional. Every unlock feels alive. And it gets even crazier because the camera game is on a different level. 200 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, plus a 10 megapixel cover camera and a 4 megapixel under display cam for full screen calls and selfies. If photography is your thing, Fold 7 is about to make your DSLR jealous. So what about the design? One word, evolution. It's taking cues from the Fold Special Edition. Wider outer display, ultra-slim profile, reinforced hinge, dust-resistant brushes? And that hinge? The leaker Panda Flash Pro says it's so thin, when closed, the Fold 7 looks almost indistinguishable from a regular phone. Foldables used to look futuristic. Now they look normal. That's how far we've come. And the battery? Still 4,400 milliamp hour, but with upgraded tech for better endurance. This isn't like the S25 Edge, which looked cool but took heat for sacrificing battery life. Samsung learned. This time, they're doing thin without cutting power. Now here's the real kicker. Samsung's teaser campaign just exploded. The latest trailer hinted at something huge, a reimagined camera experience powered by Galaxy AI. They're teasing intelligence in the lens. A camera that thinks, reacts, predicts. This isn't an upgrade. It's a leap. We're also hearing whispers. Z Flip Fan Edition might make a surprise debut too. With an Exynos 2500 chip and a full outer display that gives Moto Razr vibes? Let's just say, things are about to get wild. And get this, FCC filings have locked-in specs. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, UWB, wireless and reverse wireless charging, flagship across the board. This phone isn't playing catch-up. It's leading. Samsung knows this is more than a phone. It's a statement. And they're not stopping with just the Fold 7. July 13th is shaping up to be a full-on Samsung storm. Expect the Z Flip 7, the Watch 8 series, and yeah, maybe even a few surprises they've kept under wraps. The Watch 8 Classic already leaked on eBay with a full 360-degree preview. It's clean, it's bold, and it's ready to launch. From 2019's first Fold to now, look at the jump. We've gone from fragile prototypes to pocket-sized monsters that fold, flex, and feel like the future. But Samsung's next move, it's not just refining the foldable, it's redefining what a phone even is. So let's be clear, the Fold 7 isn't just a foldable. It's Samsung's answer to every critic who said the foldable dream was fading. It's lighter, smarter, more refined. And when July hits, Samsung won't just launch a new phone, they'll launch a new standard. So buckle up, because this isn't the end of the wave. This is the moment the wave crashes and changes everything.